Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a haul that I got from a garage sale. I was looking at the jewelry and the woman said, do you want a price on all of it? And I said, sure. It was a great price, so I bought an entire bag of jewelry. I have an idea of what some of the things are in here, but I haven't seen all of them yet. So I thought it'd be fun to go through it together. Like I said, I got a really great deal, so everything will be affordable. If you're interested in something you see here, you just email me to purchase, and that's going to be in the description below. All right. Let's do a compare video. Will this bag of jewelry that was less expensive than the jewelry jar be better than the more expensive jewelry jar? This says something. This is a crystal ankle bracelet. GHR or CHR. I'm not sure who that is. It's a very cute multicolored crystal ankle bracelet. These, I'm 99% sure these are Anne Klein. They are not signed, but she does not always sign her jewelry. Okay. I was trying to move my loop out of frame. It didn't work. We have another one. These are cute. Little blue glass center there. Gold tone earrings. They are Premier Design. These are also cute. They're lightweight. They're not very heavy, but they're very sparkly, cute little pineapple post back earrings. That's some hairspray or something. Like I said, I just got this stuff and I haven't seen it all yet. I haven't cleaned it or anything. We have a little bar brooch with a faux pearl. Has a nice weight to it. I don't see any marks or signatures. Get this big one out of the way. This one is from Kato's. It was $21.99, marked down to $9.99. This will be really cute with a bathing suit. It's very long, kind of boho-y. I think that would look cute at the pool. And then let's get this other big thing out of the way. It's like a matte black finish bracelet, and it is hinged. And there's a magnet in there, so you know it's not going to come loose. Here is a beautiful bow brooch. It is a modern piece, but who can say no to a bow? I certainly cannot. We kind of did the swoop off the table, if you know what I mean. So I haven't seen everything that's in here. This is Biesta. Genuine Australian crystal, new with tags. Love this. It's simple, but a lot. The little fringes on there, and it's this kind of stretch. So we don't have to worry about it being stretched out. That's cute. I also love these. And I don't see a signature, which really surprises me. I expected them to have one. They're beautiful, very nice weight clip-on earrings. These are nice. Brushed gold tone. Oh, look, we have the necklace to the earrings. Oh, I got it in a tangle. Oh, I got it undone. It has a tag. Is that Chaps? It's got a C in 1946, I believe. Well, maybe not an exact match. Cute enough. That's cute. And then we have this pair. I think these might be my favorite thing so far. These are adorable. They're lemons. They're very lightweight, but those are so fun. We have a little brooch. Just don't stab myself like I always seem to do every time I deal with a brooch. Okay. I believe that says AJC. And it's a little wine bottle with grapes and some glasses. Or champagne. Here's another one. Okay, this is missing its little safety thing that spins over, but it does still close. It's cute. Something else that would be cute by the swimming pool. Like the Rafta and Sea Bead. I don't know, those look like something Chico's or J. Crew or somebody would do to me. This, I want to see this. Well, that's odd. I expected this to be leather. Well, we have a mark. It's $9.50. But this is like a rubber cord. It's got this nice fold over like safety clasp. The pendant is also marked $9.50. And these little beads look the same. So there's that. I'm not going to test anything right now. I will do that off camera. I don't want to worry about getting acid on me and having to run away and all that stuff. Okay. These are what made me buy the whole lot, because I have sold these before and it was definitely worth the price of the whole lot. I'm trying to untangle them. These are Jose Barrera for Avon. They have a really nice resale value. These are like the mother of all statement earrings, huh? Beautiful. They are clip-ons and they are signed here. That's a good find. Very good find. We have Lenora Dane. I'm not familiar with that brand. This is cute. It has her hang tag, like a brushed gold tone metal. These little circles. It's cute. We have probably vintage 80s Avon, brushed gold tone and faux pearls again. And then we have these. I did also see these. This is one of the things I was looking at on the table before we did the swoop it all in. So these are marked 925. They are articulated. Marked 925, open back. And one of them has an earring back. Those are cute. And if those don't sell, I'm sure one of my daughters will be happy to take those. These are cute, but they're just lightweight. Pierced post back earrings. I don't see a signature on these. I was expecting to see like Napier or something on these. Clip back faux pearl gold tone earrings. This must have been her 80s collection. Well, there's modern too. This is modern and this is cute as a button. Look at that. So sparkly rainbow with the little clouds. Modern but adorable. These are also cute. These will look brand new. Gold tone. They make a nice little sound too. Those are pretty. They're like a hammered look. I like those. Post back gold tone. And then we have a Avon box. Just a couple more pieces left, guys. And I see the one that I was most interested in down here in the bottom. And that's how it always goes. This is, well, we knew from the box it was Avon spring ring clasp. Either glass or lapis or something in a little cloisonne. This looks brand new, even though it's not. I don't think she ever wore that one. I have something in the organza bag. I am not familiar with this brand, but these are really pretty. It's green enamel and black enamel gold tone. In the floor they go. I like when they have the lever back. Okay, and last, but definitely not least, I love these. These are going to have to be catch and release. These are puffy heart earrings. What does that say? ND95. They need to be cleaned. But those are so cute. They're awesome. All right, that's it for this little haul, y'all. If you're interested in anything you've seen here, you can just give me an email. It'll be in the description below. What do you think was better? Was the jewelry jar better, or was my yard sale haul better? Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe. And I think that's everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.